How to change display name in Gmail, laptop, and PC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your display name on Gmail and your Google account using a laptop or PC. Having the correct display name is important for personal branding and clarity in your communication. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browsers that are available on your phone. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type google.com. As you can see, I am already on the Google website and already logged in. While we are on the Google website, click your profile, which is located at the top right of the website screen. The menu appears. Just click the Manage Your Google Account button so that we can proceed. While we are on the Google Account website, click the Personal Info tab on the left side of the screen. While we are in the Personal Info tab, click the Name section in the Basic Info section. While we are in the Name tab, make sure you have a nickname. If you don't have one, just click the Nickname section to make a nickname. If you have, just click the Display Name to change your display name. From here, I have an option on which one I want to display my name. For example, I choose this one to display my name. After you choose, just click the Save button to save your settings for the display name. You have successfully changed your display name on Gmail and your Google account. This change will now reflect in your emails and other Google services. If you want to make further adjustments or explore more settings, return to your Google account management page.